Okay, guys, so after two key stocks are dropping today, it's pretty safe to say that, look, the market has rolled over, okay? It is here. It is in black and red, black, red, and white on this chart, okay? You can't make this shit up. Everybody that bought Meta stock during the last earnings report, this is what this time frame represents right here. Well, guess what? Everybody that bought here, what did they just do? They just unloaded it here. So we're back to basically ground zero on Meta. Last time in the earnings report, it went sub 400 to like 480s. And now at the early open, we're like at 413, 430 now. Oh, next couple of days is going to be touching 400, guys. So, I mean, this is the kind of market you got. You got some of the biggest stocks that have been the reason why the market's been moving higher over the course last few months, why partially the indexes were in the green for the majority of this time. And so you can't ignore this major shift. Oftentimes, this will basically be the sign that confirms the top. This is the fucking top. This is how you know when a major movement happens to the upside and the stock is unable to rally, and it is a very well-defined top, which is accompanied by a number of bearish divergences, such as the RSI, volume, MACD, all of that stuff is present here. So, and then it unwinds the move to the downside in the same fashion in which it was progressing to the upside. This is a fucking top. And the same time, another big name is doing the same thing, guys. All right. So you've got Microsoft today under 390, currently at 393, okay? But it is under this major level. Look how many times Microsoft goes, slightly dips under 400 and bounces out of it. Once, twice, three times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And today, ninth attempt, it actually drops below all of these levels. Chances are this is the real move to the downside, and before you know, Microsoft's going to be right here at 370. Could be in the next few months down to 325. Okay, so the AI rhetoric is going to take a major hit. You know, some of the key players like SMCI, guys, SMCI, one of the easiest stocks in the world, drops fucking every Sunday. I mean, every Friday, SMCI drops. It just works like clockwork. Every Friday, this stock drops. On some Fridays, it drops $20, $30, and some Fridays it drops to $300. Okay, and it is the same thing. Look, it is a very well-defined top within the same time frames, approximately as the other two key players, which was Meta and Microsoft that I've just shown you. Now, clearly, the candle volumes are a little bit more defined than this pattern, so it's a lot easier to see that this was the top, and this qualifies for a head and shoulder pattern because normally in a head and shoulder formation, at the very part of the head formation, which would be this area of the chart, the volume is drying out. So you see you got strong sell volume here, strong sell volume here, but when it goes higher, trying to move above this 1200 level, there is no fucking volume. Okay, this is how you know this is a fucking top. So you got top on SMCI, you got top on Microsoft, you got top on Meta. Okay, let's throw you know, the big daddy of this bull run. Bull run in quotations. Bull run should have never fucking taken place. Now the market gets it. Oh, it's not 1999. It's fucking 1974. We've been telling you this for the last 5 months. Okay? The first video we posted, guys, on this channel in 2024, January 1st, we said it's fucking stagflation. And everyone at that moment were like, no, we're going high. Inflation's going to come down. We're growing, the economy, the consumer's strong. Everyone was wrong. Every fucking Wall Street analyst was wrong. And if you listen to their bullshit, you probably bought Nvidia at the fucking top. You probably bought Meta at the top. You bought SMCI at the fucking top. Okay, and now you're sitting wondering, whoa, what the fuck? Well, you know, why my losses so big on these top 4 companies that were supposed to go to the fucking moon? It's because you didn't listen to 30 market moves. But here's the thing. It's not too late to save your account. It's not too late for you to finish 2024 and have the strongest fucking trading year you've ever had. And there's only one thing that requires on your part: to get in touch with the 13 Market Moves coach today, and we're going to show you exactly how to trade out of this bullshit calls that you've been buying over the course of the last few months. So the market is rolling over. It will roll over whether you're going to buy puts or not. Okay, it will roll over whether you're going to buy puts on your own. It will roll over whether you're going to buy calls on your own. But if your goal is to finally see your account go 10x, 20x, 30x, this is the fucking big moment of a huge rollover. 1974, the market does not stop dropping when it begins the drop. When the rollover happens in 1974, the market does not stop dropping until it drops over 30%. So understanding that is one thing. Taking action on it is another thing. Listening to all the bullshit they're feeding you in the news is a third thing. But the only thing is real if you're trying to make money as a trader. You come to 13 Market Moves because besides understanding the overall rhetoric and the overall base case, what's actually going to be happening in the markets, as a trader, you need to understand your entries, your exits. You need to understand your expirations. You need to understand your strike prices when you're trading these options. So to get a trade that's going to run 10x, 20x, 30x, 100x, you need to get all of this. All of these components. You need to figure the whole trade before you put it on. So, and that's when most of the people, they get confused. They're like, oh, Leo, the market's going higher today, I'm buying calls. Oh, Leo, the market's dropping today, I'm buying puts. And oftentimes, as soon as an average trader gets into a trade, the trade starts reversing the other fucking direction. So to avoid this, okay, because if you keep doing that, okay, there's no way you'll capture a 10x trade. There's no way you'll capture a 30x trade. There's certainly no way you'll capture a 100x trade if you miss one of these ingredients. If you fuck up your expiration, the trade ain't gonna work. If you fuck up your strike price, the trade ain't gonna work. Okay, and you could be sitting there watching the market drop, wondering, well, why am I not making money? So to avoid this shit happening to you, okay, the solution is simple. You go to 13mmtv.com, you click the big orange button, you click the link below this video, you go to 13marketmoves.com. Get in touch with us now. Do not miss this miraculous moment that can make you a rock star trader by the end of 2024, guys. The opportunity is here. Just grab it. That's it. You've been on the sidelines for too fucking long. It's time to take action. Let's roll. 2024. Dare to be a rock star. Trade these markets like we trade them here at 13 Market Moves. Let's go.